Are you still looking for leads for your direct mail opportunity, network marketing, products and services? The look no more. Discover how I achieved a remarkable $15,000 in just 7 days with my full data MLM and network marketing leads. Are you tired of investing in lackluster leads? I'm Stacy, and I'm here to show you how to unlock the potential of a tried and tested strategy for generating comprehensive MLM data leads, supercharging your business opportunity, direct mail flyers and postcard business and your MLM team, and skyrocketing your work from home business, including your direct mail flyer and postcard programs. Prepare to witness exponential growth and reap swift profits with my fresh MLM full data genealogy lists. Seize this incredible opportunity now and propel your business to global heights in just 7 to 10 days. My full data leads, comprising names, addresses, cell phone numbers, and email addresses, will catapult your achievements to new horizons. The reality is, it doesn't matter how many wrong people you chase, you are still chasing the wrong people. Discover how to get your sanity back and connect with targeted, open-minded, like-minded buyers who are willing to take real decisive action when you put a good offer in front of them. Stop wasting your time, energy, and efforts chasing the wrong, broken and lazy people who are never going to say yes to your offer. Discover how you can easily connect with the right people, right now, with my leads. If you dread prospecting and hate the thought of having to weed through a long list to find anyone who will show at least some interest in your offer, then it's time to do something differently and correctly. My leads will change your world the moment you start doing things the right way. Each time someone joins, they're supporting a prison ministry. Call Rick now 346-704-1754.